Kecengsi kadu kawe labang so YouTube channel long kelang aradu ana fans tami nilhin pen cardom na pujere iglo cardom lapen pini nali tuma fan labang so video long na kiwan pi labang ke kedam tang hod labang ke class 9 tum si school long pen cycle kilong pon pon stami nono bang ke class 5 long ka charlie asumar tum stami cycle kilong dunji afan stami government hin pen pangdak poni kelo na so puthak pini nali tuma fan labang so a video long etitinialam nang than pachini ponik po jons nali tum la so YouTube channel along nang ka homri milang pulte nali tum ka chinghon pen subscribe gon tamhe non pathek pen la class 5 tum cycle kilong ji pu labang so scheme up thagle lang ponona la pen che than ponon
Tangte non chethan polonang Assam Free Bicycle Distribution Scheme 2026 labang so puthak lapen kidam ta hot labang ke class 9 student tum stame cycle labang ke long run iglo lasan eta non puthak dak Assam government nahin pen ka issue pondo non labang ke class 5 student tum stame cycle ke long dun chi ladak mate ki pi ponji labang so puthak paklang pon iglo lasi koson si labang so cycle kelongji lapen kumantu pensi kelongji ma laso details non lang ponona kichengsi na litum ladak thekthulongji daga tokpot. This report is based on the official notice issued by the Office of Inspector of School Dhubri District Circle Assam date 25 regarding the submission of beneficiary data for free bicycle distribution to students of class 5 and class 9 lapenon hejong IS mate IS Dhubri district ahin pen sitami labang so bicycle mate cycle kiron ponji pu labang so notice hodak bangke pangdak poni kelo lapen kan madak school ke dua lapen teachers la Dhubri district under ke dua school atau mafans tami somara details kapa PHG afansi dak kachuning report iklo lapen labang so class 5 atau mafan ki pipon main objective labang kelason lo main objective mate main purpose pangkelason lo la osomaratum aking pen kiwang kedam kahil lo atum stamedo la pen tibokhet atum stamedo la sihola kahil pen kiwang student atum alang letum thangki sung pabe pin pen cycle pen pabang inang pusila bang so cycle bang ki pipon lo la pen improve school attendance la pen la attendance tami pa absence sedet nang cycle dulu pulo tangte kiwang kedam la an bang ki sung sedet po la pen 10 minutes kiram neng jiadim la bangke 5 minutes spends tami le po la pen ola attendance la bangke alang litum pidun long po la pen absent la bangke pawedat nang pemase la bangso scheme putot la class 5 atuman stami kipi pon dolo la pen pinan student atumange kiwang kedam ka hilo la puka siksa katum dokok titi la pen dokok pen school iribop mate drop out lason dokok titi la si kidam taning kan penanganan ningkan stami drop out student atum doi golo la si non bang puto la so drop out reds bang pa komji afansi la class 5 atuma afansi tami la bang so cycle scheme bang ke kipi pon iglo la pen kumama tum si la bang so cycle scheme kilong dun ma la so putang nili nang than pachini pon trik po eligible student labang lasan student eligible under this scheme class 5 student lapen class 9 student lapen koso school atum private atum stami long simalong lema pulodang te nani tum dak thek long je applicable student school labang lasan government school lo lapen provincialized school lapen tea garden model school adarsa vidalayas high school atum bangke labang so cycle scheme afan bangke amen pidun long ikpo lapen important condition that kipi pondo private student are not eligible mate private school mate student atum bangke labang so ali bangke chu endon lelo lapen fail student are included lapen ola ke fail student mustame dapen include pon ikpo lapen student who are already received bicycle in previous season are included lapen ala kedam tang hosta me jong si government pen cycle long don pata lang litum long don delo la pen class 9 student must complete school registration la pen class 5 class 9 student mangke la registration claim tanga tum nang po la pen school must be beneficiary data separately for class 5 and class 9 ya la pen submission deadline la bangke Dhubri district under la bangke non kiwang Z26 la sochiklo aba aprang si beneficiary details an la headmaster tum palinang po office longan lapen expected benefits labang kay better attendance in school school along la attendance bang kay kids tami present where nang pusi pipono lapen either transport rural student lapen reduce financial burden in families lapen asan attack lahir bang kanani tum chini ko laan lapen non bang current status at present school are collecting beneficiary detail official bicycle distribution dates have not been yet publicly announced lapen kiron ponsia det bang edak pipon pelang la pe non banke beneficiary detail si collection pon log lang la si la teacher sa tum student amen la banke pidun pa the inclusion of class 5 student in the free bicycle scheme in considered important development in Assam education support program. This scheme is expected to help thousands of students continue education more comfortable. Lapen la school ke bang ke dam lapen lo pacharli pamikan nang pumase labang so scheme labang ke launch pon iglo labang ke nang litum stame chini pon ikpo stame no na mat bang ke nili all Assam pu labang so update bang long lelang stame Dhubri district long se pangcheng lo pulte ang to na district long stame labang so scheme puthak labang ke pipon ikpo na nelong pipon chompo bang ke chok chelo la si ang ton pen non la pipon ikpo lapen jong sila bang so video komani a teacher sa tum jong si kelang bang do pulte nang litum school lang labang so report bang nang li galo manang le manang litum comment box long tok pen nang litum than pachini kon apen videos tami nang litum share ko karbiang long ras tami like nang lapen pachini nang lapen la son update mate la son video nang litum kelang long wer je fan pura labang so YouTube channel labang kinang litum subscribe kon tange do me thak me kadu kabe karbi 2.0 YouTube channel long kelang ara do ana fans tami nilhinten kardom